ज्या शेतकऱ्यांक जाणट्या गाय आणि बैलांचे देखभाला खातीर खर्च परवडना ताका दिलासो दिवपाचो निर्णय गोय सरकारान घेतला। जाणटे गाय बैला खातीर सरकार आर्थीक आदार दिवपाक 2-3 म्हयन्यांनी येवजण तयार करतले म्हण मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार उलयला। ह्या निर्णयाक लागून जाणट्या जनावरांची कत्तल करपी प्रकार थांबतले म्हण मत मुखेलमंत्र्यान उक्तायला। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
My question is, what do we do with this cattle? I myself have a big problem. I have got about 84 cows, milking cows. Such people, I have a dairy.
It's a right question.
Now, I am asking this question from the practical point of view. What do I do with the cow when she becomes very old? This is a problem for all our farmers. The reason is very simple.
Because, sir, Uttar Diyo.
No, I just want to say
Because
that cow is a revered animal in this country. Now, what do we do with it? That is what I'd like
because,
to...
sir, म्हाका दिसता honorable member प्रताप सिंग राणेन एक अत्यंत रेलेवंट प्रश्न उठयला। ताजे बरोबर तांच्यांनी एक गजाल जी सांगली की बॅन ऑन काव स्लॉटर is existing in Goa for a very long time. All over India? Not all over. 24 states out of 29 have cow ban. Goa is also amongst them. In 1978 the law was enacted. And I do agree that it can become a burden on the farmer, particularly when dairy is considered as a business. Now we have come out with a stray cattle scheme. I don't mind to implement similar type of scheme for the individual farmer where the cow भाकड जाली की ना म्हणजे ती दूध दिना आता अशें जालें की आपल्या आवयक जशें आमी भायर उडोवपाक धजना किंवा करचें न्ही तशें म्हाका दिसता गायक सुद्दां त्या फार्मरान पोसची. I will come out with a scheme where we will support the farmer for feeding that cow.
I'm very happy with the answer. Because we can't leave the animal. See, when you look after an animal, it's like a member of the family.
एक फार्मरान तर एक गोरव घेयलें आनी समज ते दुधा लागून गेलें आनी दूध ती दिना आनी तेका जाणचा पासून आमगे सीएमान सांगलां तेका हावळे बाळ दिवपाक तो हें करतलो पूण तेजो प्रेस त्या फार्मराक आतां आमगे बाब एक सीएमान राणे तेका घोटा गोणा तेम कितें करपाचें
करेक्ट. बिकॉज सर गाय दोन गोष्टी ह्या भितर इकॉनॉमिक्स आनी सेंटिमेंट. आय एम इन फॅक्ट क्वायट प्लीज टू हियर हिम सेईंग दॅट गायक स्लॉटर करूंक जायना म्हणून ताणें म्हणलें ताजे बद्दल हांव आभारी आसा तुजो. पण मेन इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग हांव सांगूंक सोदतां तातूंत भितरलो इकॉनॉमिक्स पार्ट जो आसा जो गाय दूध दिता पळय तो पार्ट इज द इकॉनॉमिक्स पार्ट ऑफ इट. द कॉस्ट ऑफ काव इज रिकवर्ड ड्युरींग द मिल्किंग टायम. The cost of cow is recovered and profit is also made. And whatever we give, almost 10 rupees per liter, gives enough profit. म्हणजे economics दाखोवंक जाल्यार हांव दाखयता. The problems are different. The economics of the scale, Goa is the only state which gives 10 rupees almost per liter as a subsidy. So the economics of cow during the milking period is very much existing. The problem comes that once she stops yielding milk, she becomes burden on the farmer. I said that I will sustain that till her death. I will work out a mechanism. I will send you an advance copy of the concept so that you can suggest if there are any technical glitches or any difficulties which might come in. I will work out a scheme by which the cow which has already paid for herself can be sustained till her death so that farmer doesn't have to send it or sell it. We will sustain that.